everybody, welcome to GiveMeApps, your app mall, the #1 independent app store. Today we're checking out DicVoc Dictionary by Alexis Mandan for Android. We're going to put this app in the flashcard category of apps. It helps you to learn a new language by way of practicing, figuring out the definitions of words. If you look at the main screen here, you have add word, practice, words, and websites. You can choose the target language of your choice, of course, and of course you have your source language. Once you have that figured out, you can start adding words to your dictionary. Take a look here. We're going to go with add word to start this off to show you how this might be used in practice. If you look at the very top of the screen, it says new word, max 30 characters. So from there, you can choose your word. We're going to go with pen because that's the first thing we see over here. Once we have pen, you can see that we added pencil before because we have the autocomplete function working here. Take a look. Once you have pen in there, that's our word. You have your source language. You can choose from many. Of course, we're starting with English, but many different words are here. Very surprised to see Esperanto as one of the options. We're going to get out of there. And our target language for this overview is going to be Italian. We just chose that just because. And once you have that, you can add different websites. We'll show you how that works. You have website name, website URL, website name 2, website URL 2. You might want to add those because you might have found some content online that uses the word. And of course, you can figure out how to use it in the correct context. We're not going to do that right now, but you can also add some details about the word. We can put like writing utensil or something like that. All right, we'll just put writing just to speed this up a bit. Once you have that, you can get out of there and take a look. The translation comes up right away. It says translation preview, and from there you can tap on the add button, and now it is added. So you have your words. Take a look at the words that we did enter here. And I should point out that you need to have at least 10 words to practice. The app tells you that. You can see we chose some words. We have car, chair, download, house, jump, pen, pencil, philosophy, piano. We chose a couple of words just for the purpose of this overview. And if you look very carefully, you can see the translations. We're going to bring this up closest to the camera so you can see that. You see it says car. We have Italian auto, chair, sedia. We have download. We have house, casa, same in Spanish. And the translations are right there for you to see. Now, once you take a look at your word list, you can get out of there. We're going to do that. But you can see the words that we chose. You can filter by the source language. So you can have multiple languages in DicVoc if you want to do that. We're going to get out of there. And our biggest thing here, I guess the main purpose of the app really is to practice. So once you have enough words in, you can see that we have all the words here. Now, this is kind of like a game. We said flashcards because you have your words that you wanted to translate. And of course, we said in Italian. You can now match the words in Italian to the words in English. And of course, I'm just re-emphasizing here that our source language is English and our target language is Italian. So for pencil, take a look here. We can choose any one of these different words. If we chose, let's say, pena, then software, we're just going to choose words just for the sake of it. We're not going to be right every time, and I'm doing this on purpose. We have jump. Let's just go with, let's choose that. All right? So now take a look here. Check the results. It's okay. You will do better next time. Your score is 1 out of 10. Now, I chose those words just so you can see how this would work. You see that some of the words are highlighted in green and some of them are in red. And of course, the green would signify that you got it right, and the red would mean that you did not get it right. And so our score is 1 out of 10. You'd want to improve that, of course, and if you can continue trying again. So if we chose, let's say for house, you can choose casa, and let's say with store, we go with negocio, which is the same in Spanish, more or less. And of course, you have like filosofia for philosophy. We'll do that. Take a look there. And, you can choose the different words so they match up with the words in the source language. Right? For piano, you got pianoforte, for example. And we can keep going on and on and on. Right? All of the words are there. All the words that you need are right here. So we'll go with this. All right? So once we're done, which we're not because we only chose 4 out of the 10 words, you can check the results. We're going to do that. You'll do better next time. This time our score is 4 out of 10. We only chose 4 words. That's why. When you use the app, you'll be trying to match all of the words, and your score will be much better than that. All right, so there we are. We're going to get out of here now, and I'll just show you how the website facility would work. We had pen, right? We had software. Let's go back and look at our words. We had casa. That's very, very simple. We'll use that. We're going to get out of the app momentarily. We're going to go online. And you see that we already have a website here that has the word casa in it. We can go like this and highlight the word. And once we do that, take a look here. See, casa is now highlighted, and the option add to DicVoc pops up. Take a look here. You see that? So we can add to DicVoc. Now what it's going to do is it automatically opens up this. Take a look there. Italiana welcome casa. It's adding a new word, but what we could do, and that's good to know, just so you know. So if you find a word online, you can automatically add it to DicVoc. Now we're not really going to have that here. Italiana welcome casa. We don't want to do that. What we really wanted to do was we're going to cancel this word. We're going to go back to our website here. What we really wanted to do was copy and paste the web address. All right. So we're going to copy that. The URL is now copied. We're going to go back into DicVoc. Let's do that. And under our words, take a look there. I believe we had casa, right? That was house. We can now go there. All right. Now take a look. Website's linked to this word. We can edit the word if we want to do that. We're going to go to edit. It takes us back to the word. And now we can add the website if we wanted to do that. So we're simply going to do a paste. Take a look there. I believe that's Casa Apisi. I might be pronouncing that word wrong. And we'll just call this Eats. We'll just put that. We'll call it the Eats website. And we're going to add the link. All right. So now if we get out of here, you can now see that the website is attached to the word. And you see the word house up there. We're going to bring this closer to the screen so you can see that. Take a look at that. You have house. You have the website that we chose. It's right there. And we can save the additions. All right. Now take a look at that. With the word details, the website is now attached to that word. So when we're trying to study, we can reference that word using the website. Now, this wasn't exactly the best example, but this is how you would use it in practice. So not only are you able to use this app to translate words and practice any references that you find online that use the word, that utilize the word, you can refer to that reference and help build your vocabulary and solidify your understanding of the words that you've chosen. All right, so we are approaching 8 minutes here. We've spent quite a bit of time with this app, but you guys get the idea. This is DicVoc, a nice tool in your arsenal of language learning. Again, you have your add word practice, websites, and words, and you also have a settings area which we didn't check out. We need to correct this, GiveMeApps, and of course you have the application language. It comes with 3, default source language and your default target language. For this overview, we chose Italian, and of course you would choose as many as you want. Guys, this is DicVoc Dictionary. This is by Alexis Mandan. This is for Android. We hope you enjoyed this overview. Do check out our YouTube channel. That's what you're on right now. GiveMeApps is the world's #1 independent app store. Download apps for any category of devices, Android, iOS, even Windows Phone. We still help those guys out. So let us know what you thought about this. Download the app. Give us your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know if you've used this and how useful it is to you. Do shout out the developer. Contact them. You can find their information in the description of this video. And let them know how they're doing, if they can improve the app in any way, and what you liked about it. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this. This is the GiveMeApps YouTube channel. This app is DicVoc Dictionary by Alexis Mandan. Till next time.